Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPad shows the support.apple.com/iPad/restore screen, it means your iPad is in recovery mode. This usually happens during an update or restore. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPad. If your device isn't responding, try manually restarting your iPad. First, connect your iPad to your computer, then quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and wait for it to restart. If this method fails, I recommend using a computer to fix the issue. Method 2. Use Apple devices to fix iPad. To repair your iPad using Apple devices, first connect your iPad to your computer, then open Apple devices. It will prompt you to update or restore the device. Choose Restore and wait for the process to complete. During this process, the device will download the necessary firmware and reset, but note that this will erase your iPad data. If you want to avoid data loss, I suggest using the next method. Method 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone is a professional iOS system repair tool that can help you exit recovery mode with one click without any firmware. It can also solve over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. The download link is in the description. First, connect your iPad to your computer, launch UltFone, click Exit Recovery Mode in the bottom left corner, and wait to exit. With just one click, your iPad will quickly return to normal operation. This method is simple and definitely worth a try. Method 4. Repair the iPad system. If the problem persists, you can try using the system repair function provided by UltFone. This method will not lose data during the process. Go back to UltFone, click the green Start button, select Standard Mode, then click the green button to continue. UltFone will download the latest firmware for your iPad, and you can choose where to save it. Once confirmed, click Download to continue. After the download is complete, click the Start Standard Repair button. The repair process typically takes about 10 minutes. Make sure the power is connected during this time. After standard repair, your iPad will be fixed successfully. That's it for this video. If you managed to solve the problem using these methods, please consider giving us a like. I'd be very grateful if you could subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.